Even now today people are trying to divide India as much as possible in the name of religion, in the name of caste, in the name of division of border. China is coming one side fighting with us, Pakistan is coming other side. Nowadays Bangladesh also is coming to fight with us. These are the areas where dominating countries like America are playing games with us. But one thing you have to remember that we are proud Indians, first of all, not in the name of any religion or name, not our name, first of all we are Indians.
अगर अपने देश के लिए सच्चा समर्पण और हिम्मत ना तोड़े तो हमें कोई भी शक्ति नहीं रोक सकती। सुभाष चंद्र बोस हमें यह सिखाते हैं कि हमें कभी हार नहीं माननी चाहिए और
Poison us, what does freedom really means to us? For me, as a student, freedom means the right to speak, to dream, to learn and to grow without any fear. But this freedom was not gifted us easily. It came after the years of struggle, pain and sacrifice.
तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था, ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था। ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजदी संवरदी है रांझे, तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे।
Today is 15th August. At first, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. This year we are celebrating 79th Independence Day.
ముందుగా మీ అందరికీ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఆగస్టు 15, 1947 కేవలం తేదీ కాదు, ఇది త్యాగానికి గుర్తు, గర్వానికి చిహ్నం. దాదాపు 200 ఏళ్ల సంవత్సరాల తర్వాత బ్రిటిష్ పాలన నుండి మనకు స్వేచ్ఛ వచ్చింది. స్వేచ్ఛ అనేది ఎవరో ఇచ్చిన బహుమతి కాదు, మన పూర్వీకులు రాసిన రక్తపు చరిత్ర.